Overview of the IB dashboard in Medatiq Markets. Let's start with an overview of the IB dashboard. Once you log in or sign up, you will see a navigation bar on the left side of your screen. In that menu, you will find an option called IB Dashboard. Click on it and your IB dashboard will open. At the top of the page, you'll find your referral link. You can share this link with potential clients. Anyone who registers using your referral link will be connected to your IB network. Just below that, you'll see your unique referral code. This code can also be shared with clients during registration. Moving down, you'll find two important action buttons. The Request Withdrawal button allows you to submit a withdrawal request for your available earnings. The Change IB Partner button can be used to manage your IB partnership settings depending on your account permissions. Next, let's look at the summary cards. The total balance card shows your overall earnings, including commissions, incentives, rewards, and any other available funds. The total withdrawal card displays the total amount you have withdrawn from your account. The total incentive card shows any incentive earnings you have received based on your performance. The total salary card displays any salary payments associated with your IB account. Below the summary cards, you'll find the IB Partners section. This area provides an overview of your referred clients, including the number of active clients currently connected to your network. On the right, the Active Deposit section displays the total active deposits made by your referred clients, helping you track the growth and performance of your network. And that's a quick overview of the IB dashboard, where you can track your referrals, earnings, and overall performance in one place. Thanks for watching.